Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'll explain whether it's possible to delete your transaction history on Santander and what you can do instead, updated for 2025. Let's break it down. First things first. Santander does not allow customers to delete or erase their transaction history from their bank account. This is because banking regulations require financial institutions to keep accurate records of all transactions for legal and security reasons. So what can you do instead? You can filter your transaction history within the app or online banking to show only the time period or type of activity you want to view. Step 1. Open the Santander mobile banking app and sign in. Tap on your account to view recent activity. Step 2. Use the search or filter tools to narrow down the transactions by date, amount, or keyword. This makes your transaction list more manageable without deleting anything. Step 3. If you're concerned about privacy, remember that your bank history is only visible to you unless you share your login. Important note, even Santander customer support cannot delete transaction records. These are permanently stored for compliance and audit purposes. So while you can't delete transactions, you can filter and manage your view to keep things tidy. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple banking tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.